In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Pinterest templates in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process together, so by the end, you'll be able to quickly customize any Pinterest template to match your brand and content. All you need is a Canva account and a template you want to work with. First, open Canva and head to the Pinterest templates section, or open a specific template link you've been given. When the template loads, you'll usually see multiple page designs laid out on the canvas. Take a moment to scroll through these pages and choose the one that best fits the content you're planning to share. You don't need to use every page. Think of them as options you can pick from. Once you've chosen a layout, click directly on the text you want to change. You can highlight the placeholder text and start typing your own title, subtitle, or description. Keep your main headline short, clear, and benefit-focused so it stands out on Pinterest. If you want to adjust the look of the text, use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Try to stick to one or two fonts to keep the design clean and readable, especially on mobile screens. Next, let's update the images. Click on any existing photo in the template. On the left-hand side, open the Uploads tab and upload your own images, or search Canva's photo library if you have access to it. Drag your chosen image over the existing one until it snaps into place. This keeps the cropping and layout consistent while swapping in your own visuals. Use high-quality vertical images that are relevant to your content for the best results on Pinterest. Now, customize the colors so they align with your brand. Select any colored element, such as shapes or backgrounds, and use the color picker at the top to choose a new color. If you have specific brand colors, you can enter their hex codes. Aim for good contrast between your text and background so everything stays easy to read. When you're happy with the design, give your file a clear name so you can find it later. Then click the Download button in the top right. For Pinterest, a PNG file usually works best. Choose your page, confirm your settings, and download. Your Pinterest graphic is now ready to upload, schedule, and share.